In the evening at the banquet, the awards were given by Dr. Patrick Moore to the eminent scientists. Dr. Mai and Dr. O.P. Dubey chaired a session on agriculture, animal husbandry and allied activities. Dr. K.M.L. Pathak, DG Animal Science, Dr. Damaris Monte from Embrapa, Mr. Vijay Sardana, Mr. Dharmesh Verma, Dr. Preetam Chandra of CIAE and Professor K.C. Bansal made presentations in this session.
There is a need to have nutritious security, not just food security. Some food are more expensive to produce, some food are more nutritious, some food can prevent disease. So we have a whole new era to develop. But we need to have government commitment with public policies.
By 2020, per capita consumption of milk is likely to more than double, and that of meat is more than triple. If we want to increase the milk production in our country, then we have to go for the indigenous breed improvisation, and we should involve the private partners in that area. After Green Revolution, you know, the White Revolution took place, and in the White Revolution, the artificial insemination played a great role. But artificial insemination, it is not reaching to the farmer door. So we should do something.
We are not exploring the agriculture true potential. We are only focusing on the final grain or final fruit. But what about rest? There is a high time we should connect this gap of knowledge between the people, those who have resources, and people, those who have knowledge, and the people, those who look at opportunities. It's a problem of mindset, not resources.
Yesteryears, we had plant genetic resources, we had no technology. But today we have technology which is fast approaching and moving so fast. And if we combine this effect, not just add, multiply it, I'm sure we can not only double the food production, but we can also do it in a sustainable manner, which is rather more important by least damaging the environment. Let's not forget about this slogan of doubling food production next 5 years after the seminar.
Direct paddy seeded is becoming very, very popular. In fact, farmers are really liking this small, modest piece of implement. Large-scale vocational trainings of rural youth to be organized, backed with institutional credit, and a separate implement manufacturing policy needs to be worked out. Yantradut village scheme that Madhya Pradesh government has implemented, and the results have been fantastic.
Businessmen are always look into future trading. The politicians look also for future trading. The farmers unfortunately are more in past trading, and our bureaucrats are in present trading. So they all come together. Possibly we can double the food production.
The presentations and suggestions were very useful to improve the activities in agriculture. Professor S.R. Mallu of Agriculture College chaired the session on role of agrochemicals in food production. Mr. Sagar Kaushik of UPL, Mr. P.N. Karlekar of Keminova, Dr. Samir Dave of PMFAI, Mr. Venkatadri of Rallis, Mr. R.G. Agarwal of Dhanuka, and Mr. Ram Madholkar of CropLife India, all of them made very good presentations. The important conclusion that came out was that the crop protection chemicals play a very important role in agriculture.
Really, it is necessary to have a very holistic approach to have judicious and safe use of pesticides in this era of climate change by encouraging the farmers to adopt good agricultural practices.
Dr. Ashok Gulati chaired a session on food export and government policies. Mr. Deepak Vohra, Ambassador of Sudan, Mr. Sanjay Dave, Codex Alimentarius, Mr. Barun Mitra of Liberty Institute, Dr. Arvind Kapoor of Rasi Seeds, and Mr. Mahesh Patel of ETG World Tanzania participated in this session.
Infrastructure is extremely important. It has to be exports. We have to implement on an urgent basis cold chain corridors, starting from those areas where good agricultural practices have been implemented up to the exit point. The upcoming challenges in the international trade, there are several economic frauds that take place. We will have to guard against that. We will have to adapt to proper labeling laws, not only for exports but also for imports.
That it doesn't matter whether Europe or America is going to subsidize. Let's open the trade unilaterally. IT's success story is precisely that. And Indian agriculture would find its feet and do exactly as it did 2,000 years ago. The bottom line is we must look at ourselves and our own people in a completely different light. Farmers are not fools and illiterates.
You must have the clear and open policies. Frequent bans and changing policies will discourage importers and exporters. I think contact farming will really help farmers and the exporters and also the input industry, that we can really do together a kind of sustainable food production in India.
Let us build India and Africa to become a breadbasket of the world.
We experimented with hybrid seeds, very graciously gifted by Unifos and Advanta. Just using the hybrid seeds, the output went up by 250% compared to the traditional seeds that we were using. So what we need is inputs, we need seeds, fertilizers, tractors, we need training, we need practical assistance. We simply want to increase our food grains output, and we'll do it through better seeds, more fertilizers, more water.
Srimati Sushma Swaraj, MP and the Leader of Opposition Lok Sabha, was the chief guest for the valedictory function held at India Habitat Centre, Delhi.
We have probably most diversified agroclimatic conditions in the world. We have another great advantage is we have a huge agrobiodiversity. We have one of the largest network of agriculture science in the world. Can you make farmer-centric development, bringing all these new ideas, new inputs that have been put in place? The ecosystem can then really flourish if farmers is at the center. And for that, can we develop a new idea of cropping pattern with a matrix of soil, water, the type of weather? And I think the beginning should be made in this session, which is not valedictory session, but a preparatory session for the following action that should follow.
मैं लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन के साथ साथ लीडर ऑफ प्रपोजिशन भी बननी चाहिए। श्रॉफ जी, आपका विषय सुनकर कई बार लोग इसको हास्यास्पद कहते हैं कि 5 साल में खाद्यान्न उत्पादन दोगुना हो जाएगा। कुछ लोग इसे असंभव कहते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ इस मंच पर खड़े होकर पूरी दृढ़ता और निष्ठा के साथ मैं आपको कहना चाहती हूँ श्रॉफ जी, ये लक्ष्य साध्य है, ये प्राप्त किया जा सकता है। आप 2 गुने की बात कर रहे हैं। आज एनडीए सरकार में मध्य प्रदेश ने 5 वर्षों में अपनी कृषि विकास दर 9 गुना बढ़ाई है। बिहार राज्य में प्रति हेक्टेयर धान की खेती 1000 किलोग्राम बढ़ी है। यहाँ मिनिस्टर भी आए और प्रेसिडेंट साहब ने इसको इनॉग्रेट किया। यह देश का प्रश्न है, ये देश के किसान का प्रश्न है, ये देश के उपभोक्ता का प्रश्न है, ये देश की भूख को मिटाने का प्रश्न है, ये देश को खिलाने का प्रश्न है। ये एक ऐसा क्षेत्र है जहां कभी देश सत्ता पक्ष और प्रतिपक्ष में बटेगा नहीं।
We at Crop Care Federation of India and all our colleagues here, along with the government support, are very confident that we will be able to make India an important producer of agriculture product. People from all parts of the world, we will be able to achieve the food production. Thank you.
This is agriculture of the next generation. It's been a great beginning.
It can be scalable, profitable, and have a dramatic effect on small farmer productivity and incomes.
Government is also participating together. Very good path forward for all of us to work together.
Let farmer in industry work together so that we can take it far.
It was a great success.
It will go a long way.
Agriculture must perform, and if we can double it, we can guarantee that India will grow at double rate.
We need to learn to set agriculture vision together, which can benefit each one of us.
Application of science and technology would enhance the food productivity.
That new technologies have to be adopted.
The conference has been a great success.
The industry, along with various experts in the agriculture sector, came to a conclusion that there is an immediate need to focus on several policy issues to achieve the target of doubling food production of India in 5 years. Under the chairmanship of Mr. Suresh Prabhu, Dr. C.D. Mai and Dr. R.B. Singh, industry leaders and farmer leaders will meet regularly and monitor the progress.